We also have several courses that are not specifically tied to a type aircraft. One of those is inadvertent IMC, unintentional IMC. As you probably know, that is one of the biggest reasons for mishaps in the aviation industry worldwide, is inexperienced pilots or uneducated pilots who enter into a regime that they're not familiar with. So we designed a one-day course, inadvertent IMC recovery and procedures, so that we can educate the pilot with some ground school to teach them all the phenomena associated with what happens to you when you go into the clouds, what happens physiologically to the pilot. We also talk about weather. How do you recognize weather patterns? How should you read weather, interpret weather, be aware of what you're doing in the flight planning process? Ultimately, to make that good decision, probably not to fly that day. That's probably the best outcome. The next part of that is to put the customer in the simulator and or the aircraft for a couple, two events. One, to talk about the aircraft recovery itself. If, for example, the aircraft did go into an inadvertent IMC situation, the pilot needs to know how to recover that aircraft safely and get back to visual conditions if possible. Or, if not, who to contact on the radio for assistance and how to become stabilized and safe so that they can return back to their airport.